Now we can dump. All right. I had to open up this conduit. Wish I had a screwdriver. These kinds of things suck. This is just straight up electrical. That's turned off. Woohoo! Nuts, I hate nuts. Now I can pull it back through, fool. The diet, caffeine free, literally just, it just is like you're drinking something carbonated. There's no taste to it. The gold ones.
So since we're here last, the Verkado room's almost done being built as far as the studs go. We have a new door going in here. We had to reframe it. We made this door larger so the lifts can go through this hallway. We got the electrical working in the YouTube room. So there's a light, a single light. We still have to demo all this crap off the wall. We rip all the sheetrock out, but we're removing this door. It's gonna get framed back into sheetrock, and we're really just gonna have the single door with this window. We also cut this opening larger to also fit the lifts through. So this will have a door, didn't have a door before. So we'll have a new door right here, framed out. My office, Shelby's office, Kirsten's office, Baron's spare, Maria, sales office. And then from this side over will be the conference room. They're gonna finish framing this today. And today we're gonna start cabling. 2 of the 3 4-inch conduits that we're gonna put down to bring all the power and data. So Tony had to go grab these today so we can have all this crap on there. So we're gonna have a bunch of the cables go through here, through these J hooks, and they go all the way down those. See those hooks? They go all the way down there, and that's how some of the cable path is gonna go to get to that side of the building. And then over here, we have them already hooked all the way down here, all the way through there to get to the other side of the building. I need another cable where this one is, a new cable where this one is, to get rid of the yellow that come around, finish the hooks, because we're gonna put a horn, a BZ11 horn here too, so they could yell out. And then I was gonna have a bullet, I think, right above the door. Yeah, so you could catch the plates. And then you can start popping all those holes with ladders until the lift gets here. And then once the lift gets here, we can start pulling wires. Yeah, so our first run, we're gonna have 1 access control door pulled, 6 camera cables pulled. We're gonna pull 2 to every camera location, because I always be like, oh, I wanna add another camera, and I forget, then I make the guys pull it, and so we're gonna have spares. So we're gonna go 2 cables to that corner, 2 cables to that corner, 2 cables to that corner, come back, put more rings down this way, put 2 more cables that way, 2 more cables that way, pop out all the new cable cameras, access control to this door, access control to that door. And then we'll have to come back for the alarm on that stuff later. And then once we get this path, we're gonna have another path this way for all these cameras and all the stuff we're gonna have out at the gate. I think there's gonna be over like 30 cameras. And we use a lot of it for not just our own security, but for to demo people, show people how to use it, yeah. And now we have the AC duct coming through for all the offices right here. So all these offices will have a duct hidden behind the back of the wall. Those will drop down. And then they're also gonna build the LED wall here. So we have to replace the roof because it leaks right here and get rid of this mold. But we're gonna build the wall out from here to about here. It'll go all the way across to here, and then it's gonna go straight to the ceiling. And then Tony and Art right now are gonna go get some Unistrut 4-inch pipe. We're gonna mount it above that against the wall so all of our cables can pass through before they sheetrock.